Hi, I'm Dr. Hunley from Markham Woods Animal Hospital, and today Pepper and I are going to talk to you about brachycephalic dogs and help you better understand.
Hi, Dr. Hunley. Hi, Pepper. What are brachycephalic dog breeds and what makes them unique?
So brachycephalic literally means short-headed, and these breeds tend to have short snouts and may even appear to be flat-faced. Hi, Pepper. Brachycephalic dogs include Boston Terriers like Pepper. You can have English Bulldogs, French Bulldogs, Pugs, Lhasa Apso, Pekingese, and Shih Tzu. It can also describe mixed breed dogs that inherit their trait from their brachycephalic ancestors.
Oh, okay. What are common health issues in brachycephalic dog breeds?
So brachycephalic dogs, because of their shortened snouts, they are prone to breathing problems. And they are prone to a condition called brachycephalic obstructive airway syndrome. And in this condition, you can have one or more of 4 different abnormalities. The first is very narrow nostrils. This is called stenotic nares, and that makes breathing through the nose difficult. You can also have an elongated soft palate. So the soft palate is the soft tissue in the back of the roof of the mouth, and in this condition, the soft palate is too long, so it can fall into the airway and block the airway. You can also have a stenotic or narrow trachea, and that's the windpipe, and the windpipe is narrower than usual. And the last part of the condition is called everted laryngeal saccules, and these are sacs that are in the back of the throat, and in conditions where they're struggling to breathe, when their nose is too narrow or their soft palate's too long, then those saccules can actually turn outward, and that can make the breathing problem even worse.
Oh, okay. How can I tell if my brachycephalic dog is experiencing breathing difficulties?
Well, historically, these dogs have loud breathing and they have snoring and things like that. It's important not to dismiss that as normal. That can be a sign of a problem. In severe breathing problems, their tongue or their mouth can turn blue because they have a lack of oxygen. They can also collapse, and they can have problems due to hyperexcitability or nervousness or overheating. So it's important, if you have severe problems like collapse or blue gums, that you bring them to your veterinarian immediately.
Are there any special exercise and activity recommendations for brachycephalic dogs?
So brachycephalic dogs, because of their breathing problems, they historically cannot tolerate vigorous exercise. It's important to protect them in hot weather and in cold weather. In hot weather, you want to avoid outdoor activities in the middle of the day. So you want to limit that to early morning or evening when it tends to be cooler. Make sure they have access to water and shade to keep them from overheating. Do you want to go down, Pepper? Yes, I think Pepper's bored.
Thanks, Pepper.
Thanks, Pepper. All right. Sometimes these dogs can't tolerate more than 5 minutes of vigorous exercise. So you really want to be careful and monitor their breathing and how they're doing. Look at their gums, make sure they're not having a problem. They can also have problems in the cold weather, so making sure that they have sweaters or jackets and they are staying warm.
What are the best ways to manage breathing issues in brachycephalic dogs?
So one of the most important things we can do to help maintain the health of our brachycephalic dogs is to keep their weight at an optimal level. We do not want them to be obese. Obesity is going to complicate these breathing problems. So the first line of treatment, if we have an obese brachycephalic dog, is to get them on a weight loss plan and get them into an optimal weight condition. As we discussed, managing their exercise, managing their outdoor activity, keeping them from overheating, these are all important things to keep them healthy.
Okay. How can I improve the overall quality of life for my brachycephalic dog?
These dogs can live long and happy lives. It's important that we have proper care, regular visits and checkups with your veterinarian, keeping their weight optimal, protecting them from overheating, and remembering that while dogs provide us great companionship, it is our responsibility as the pet parent to be diligent and to maintain their overall health and quality of life.
Okay, great. Thank you, Dr. Hunley. Thank you, Pepper.
Thanks, Pepper.
If you have any further questions about brachycephalic dogs, give us a call at 407-682-3233. We're always here for you.